Welcome back to Jim Boy's Kitchen. I don't know. I'm trying to figure. I want to go eat some things. Kind of remember those posters. Look at the poster on the right side. Make you remember back in the days that Bollywood movie posters usually be up there alongside the movie theaters. Yeah, I don't think there is any movie theaters left, which means there is no posters anymore with Bollywood flicks, huh? All right, I want to go. I feel like eating a restaurant food. I don't know, something in the restaurant is in my mind. It's one of these Caribbean restaurants. It says Guyana. I guess that's a crazy driver there raising up that muffler. Is either the muffler sound good for him or he needs a muffler? What do you think? He needs a muffler? Yeah. All right. I'm thinking about going to get a restaurant, a place called Charlie's in my mind. I want to go eat a restaurant food right now. So I want to go try that food. I don't know. I feel like eating a jerk chicken. I know they sell jerk chicken, chicken curry, duck curry. They sell every kind of a curry. I might be able to, I might want to go there and try a piece of, yeah. I know the food, West Indian food, Caribbean food is expensive, especially at a restaurant, but I feel like eating one today. So I'm going to go down there to the restaurant. I'm actually on State Street, and this is a place in upstate New York called Schenectady. So I don't know, I might go eat, see what they got there. Fill my stomach a little bit with some Caribbean dish from a restaurant. So my destination will be that restaurant because I'm hungry. I'm hungry as a fly. You think fly gets hungry sometimes? I don't know. Let me go see. That's if it's open. I hope it's open. Maybe any food left. I know they cook pretty good though. They cook pretty good. I could see the open sign is there. They got an open sign. So I'm going to go eat some food. I'm going to go order some food and eat some food. Yeah, this is a taste of Guyana. It's a roti shop and bakery. Yeah, Taste of Guyana, the name is. So I'm going to go in here, have a park here, and try some of this Taste of Guyana food. Yeah, I want to go eat me some food now. Eat me a Taste of Guyana food. Might be good. Might be a good food. Good dish. Might be a good dish. A car just spoke. Yeah, Taste of Guyana food. Nice here. Just lock this door. I want to try it, see. Try this little food here. And they got nice food here. They got a jerk chicken. Bologna. Nice little place. Hi, my darling, you got jerk chicken? And what kind of rice you got? Fried rice and jerk chicken. Small.
The veggie, they have it separate, which is good.
Yeah. I love it, man. This food is so nice. One time I ate the food and I'm so stupid I bit my tongue.
Wow.
Yeah, because it tastes so good. Yeah, man. Yeah, you could throw some sauce. Even the sauce tastes good without the meat. Imagine that. My gosh. Try this jerk chicken here. Nice man. See my dishes over there? I like some jerk chicken with some fried rice. Taste of Guyana is the best food in town, you know. Gosh. Love it already. See, I got my little jerk chicken here, you know. So we'll eat this now. I want to see the taste of this. Mm-mm-mm. Couple of piece of cucumber. Salad. Good. Nice dish. Taste of Guyana. Nice dish. Food is good. Nice restaurant. You can taste out both. Got the little decoration on my table. Oh yeah. Flour. Back to the dish. The jerk tastes pretty good. Sharp. Mixed with some corn.
Just a Italian, 3 roti, and the bacon, that's it, right?
Little salt. This is perfect. Perfect food. Love it. No, man. Perfect food. Love it. Price is good. Everything. Delicious. I remember, folks, if you cannot afford restaurant food, if you can afford it, cook. But it's good to eat restaurant food sometimes. Delicious. It tastes good. The food's shot for one thing. Shot for eating, but Auntie. Auntie.
An order pumpkin? With rice. Plain white rice? Put it together or separate? Put it together. So we do a mixed food. We get all rice, pumpkin,
I was going to tell her the food shop for one thing, eating.
Okay, so right now the pumpkin and rice?
No, I don't know if she'll do it that way.
Okay, all right.
But I want
delicious. Love it.
We have chana, we have melon cocoa, we have pumpkin,
It's
Is this a steak?
No, to go.
roti. You can also get coconut choka or bayan, roti. Nice. Got me another hot sauce. Hot. Back with a little vinegar, a little pepper. Use some this.
Yes. Curry chicken and one more.
This is a little bad boy. What is this? Breast thigh. Breast. Me to eat some pork and leave here, buddy.
No, but then I
No, mama. Nice food, buddy. I love it.
tomorrow now open, huh? No, we're not till Wednesday. Oh, you're not to open Monday too? A lot of restaurants do food cooking. Eh? We close tomorrow.
I think we don't left this here. I put it here, right?
The garbage can is ready.
Over there, okay.
No, it was
Man, I love this. Look.
tomorrow.
Yo, the garbage.
I mean, tomorrow they need to
Put my tray back over here.
leave it on the table.
Huh?
Leave it right on the table.
Oh, right here? Okay.
Like,
Perfect.
it's all like September curry, right? Yes, we do dal, rice, pumpkin.
Out of all restaurant, out of all restaurant, I love Taste of Guyana. It's Schenectady.
Yeah, we curry too, right? A China curry.
And Jim Boy's Kitchen was here at Taste of Guyana. So anybody come to Schenectady, where they gotta come, Auntie? Anybody come to Schenectady, where they gotta come? Taste of Guyana Roti Shop right on State Street. All right? Thank you.
No, but in here. Right.
Everything. Okay, Auntie, thank you. And what you gotta tell the people when it comes to Schenectady, come to Taste of Guyana. Jim Boy's Kitchen, all right?
No, we're not
Yeah.
in
Yeah, their Taste of Guyana. That's right. All right, delicious food, the best. Best in Schenectady, buddy. Oh, man, if I tell you, that was a good food. Deliciously. I had me the jerk chicken and that fried rice with a hot sauce. And the hot sauce tastes pretty good. I could taste a little bit of vinegar there with some nice balafaya. But the way they prepare it, it's a difference. So ain't nobody gonna prepare it like them. The food shot of wanting and shot of eating, you know. Had me the jerk chicken. Pretty good. With the rice, had a little bit of corn, some vegetables inside. Yeah, Taste of Guyana Roti Shop. Whenever you come to Schenectady, you go upstate New York, Schenectady, go try it. I went upstate New York and I passed by there. I love it. Yeah. All right, I'm going to continue on. Take this tour down in the streets of Schenectady. I don't know, the next destination might be CVS. I want to go CVS, see what they got there. CVS, everybody knows, is a pharmacy and all of that. So I'm going to just go down the streets. Let's go. Come with me. Jim Boy's Kitchen. On a different mission today. Taste of Guyana Roti Shop. All right. Roll along this wonderful place here. Let me go down the street. What do you call the street? Hague Street. Hague Street. I remember this place here was kind of abandoned before, but now, you know, lots of people moved in. Got some Guyanese lived here, Trinidadians, Jamaicans, Puerto Ricans, and Puerto Ricans are coming in pretty much here, you know. All right, I might end up passing by Becker Street area. Yeah. And that hill, going up that hill, takes you to Central Park. The hill straight ahead. You could go straight up in Central Park there. I know some people here that back in the days they came, they bought house. The older generation bought house, and many of them passed away. So the house now is owned, occupied by the children. You know, it's sad that the older generation came over here, buy the houses cheap, tried to live and survive, but hey, they had to die or go. Some sell out and they're gone. You know, it's just another town, that's all. And the sun is kind of dusting, getting into a little darkness here now. It's very cloudy and chilly. So, and this is April month, and it's cold in Schenectady. I don't know why, because it's in the upper upstate region, you know. And I'm gonna pass by this area here. The man Henry sell out and gone. All right. So, and if I tell you folks, with Guyana's a taste of Guyana roti shop. If you're not a meat eater, then fine. You could get vegetables like what that woman had. Vegetable, you could get baigan, eggplant, with roti. I think they have dal there too. And like bhaji or spinach. Vegetables, you could get bara, palauri. Depends what it makes with. If you're that really keeping that fast. Yeah. The only thing you may not find there is beef because, religious wise. But otherwise, every other thing you could get there. That jerk tastes pretty good. The first time I ate that food, I bit my tongue. Today, I almost bit my finger. That's how good that food tasted. Yeah, Guyana's a taste of Guyana roti shop. Very nice place. Eating a wonderful food there sometimes, yes. All right, it's getting pretty cloudy and the sun is already gone. So now it's becoming night, almost night. So, just passing by in a fluke. Lots of memories here on this neighborhood, you know. I remember people came, they bought the houses, many passed away, yeah, many left and gone. New generations take over, you know, as any other places it happens. I'm gonna make this right and go by the Central Park area. This is the here on the right is the Central Park Middle School in Schenectady, upstate New York, and it's right on top of the hill, down by the park. Make that left down the park. People are still by the park area, browsing around, but it's a dreary day where it's chilly, so the park is still not bright at this time. Usually, many times in summer when it's hot, there's a big crowd here doing lots of activities, but for now, it's too chilly for people to hang around. April month, but it's still chilly, you know. Got some people all the way in the back, some visitors. And you got the botanical garden, which is on the left of the park. but no flowers there because it's too cold. It's too cold for flowers. People are still browsing around though. That's usually the botanical garden there, but it's not, there's no flowers. Too cold for that. Waiting, I guess, until it's warm a little bit more. Yeah. It's a dreary day, chilly in Schenectady. Just take you around the park area a little bit. There's an entrance. I want to see if there's any activities going on. I recall coming in here about 2 years ago. I think I had a video and another clip about 2 years ago into this park area where there's some tennis game going on, but at present I don't think so. Got some people doing some activities, just nothing much to do in the park area because of the chilliness. Yeah, usually they have tennis going on at a tennis court on the left side here. Now that's usually a little farming area that goes on, but it's not, yeah, they got some activities of tennis game going on there. Just a little training or a little, yeah, private sporting. I don't know, they're playing tennis. Let's go take a look at these games going on there in the tennis court a little bit. I want to just show you what tennis is in Schenectady. Yeah, I got a tennis game going on in the park area. These are beautiful flowers, but that's because the weather changes. The leaves are now coming on, so they're beautiful, right? Yellow. They're automatically going to be turning into the green. They're beautiful flowers. Actually, they're leaves from a tree. They look like flowers, but they're leaves that will be turning into green. Got some tennis game going on here. And that's the park area. A tennis court, you see? It says tennis court. So this is where the tennis game goes on. The video, and yeah. They're playing tennis ball. I like this. They're practicing, maybe for a match or just doing it for the fun of it. Let's see some tennis ball going on. One of my favorite game, buddy. Yeah. See the guys, they're all setting up. They're playing tennis ball there. See? Tennis game. Just a little sporting, maybe neighbors to neighbors, friends to friends. Practicing, maybe being a tournament later on, who knows? See some live tennis ball, look. See? Watching some live game right now. Practicing. I think they're changing around the base. Yep. They're changing around the field. Refreshing. Repassing. Setting up for the field. Yep. See what they do there. Hey, brother. Why you have to change around the course? Why you guys have to change over?
So that if there is wind and all, so we have to surf from the
Oh, okay. So,
that there is a sun that side.
oh, so
Whenever
that's
it have to fall in, so that wind, sun neutralizes.
okay. It neutralizes the play. Okay. So we learn a little bit something there. Let's take a look at this game. It's a friendly game. And this is in upstate Schenectady, New York Central Park. This is part of the activity.
Fall in the box.
Huh?
When he serves, that has to fall in that box.
Oh, okay.
The first one, yeah. That has to fall in the box.
It cannot fall. It cannot fall in the box. Okay.
Yeah, no, opposite box. It has to serve in the.
Ah.
You have two chances for that. Yours. Oh, good.
Bam. There it is.
Well left, well left.
All right. Enjoy the game, brother. All right.
Yeah. You have to hit in this box.
Okay.
Huh?
They're willing for me to stay, but
Okay, come on, let's point.
I got to move on. Let's take a look at it a little bit more. They want me to take a. All right. Good shot.
Oh. Carried away by emotion.
Some puppies going on there. The man talking with those beautiful dogs. You know, these are the little activities that go on in the park area. As the leaves are coming back, as the weather gets warm, it becomes a little warmer. The leaves will be growing back on all these trees. And that's when they change the color from yellow to pink to blue and all those wonderful colors. Like that one there. All right, just a little glimpse of what's happening in Schenectady. Enjoyed that wonderful dish from Guyana's Taste of Guyana Roti Shop. Yeah. Until next time, everybody, remember, be kind to someone that's not kind to you, and kindness will prevail. And of course, thank you once again for joining Jim Boy's Kitchen. Subscribe, ring the notification bell, do what you gotta do. Until the next one, be kind to someone that's not kind to you, and kindness will prevail. People may talk bad about you. Continue talking good about them. Alright? Until the next one. Bye bye.